And the delegation of the FARC guerrilla in Colombia has issued a statement laying out a set of steps towards becoming a legal political force there. Now, the announcement comes as the Colombian Senate debates a measure that would prevent former guerrillas from participating in politics. Another important issue that will be discussed in the current round of talks is paramilitary groups, which continue operating throughout the country. And in their statement, the FARC made very precise demands to the Colombian government. We're going to review some of those demands right now. Now, one of the main points is they want to guarantee that the guerrillas' future party will be registered legally for an indefinite period of time to allow it to participate in the country's next elections. Together with this demand, the rebel group is also requesting a quota of seats in Parliament and in the Senate. This would allow the political force to voice its concerns and to assure that the national peace agenda, which is part of the final agreement, will be fulfilled. Given the large areas controlled by the FARC throughout Colombia, the group is also requesting support from the government to transform the local economy of those areas, since right now they are operating as war-oriented economies. And finally, the group urges the government to help create social conditions which can allow peace to be a permanent. The Colombian government and the FARC still disagree on the mechanism in which the Colombian population will approve the final agreement. Now, while the FARC wants a new constitutional assembly to be democratically elected, the government, on the other hand, wants to organize a referendum. Many officials say even if a referendum takes place, it would be difficult to make it legally binding.
It is necessary to have a plebiscite that allows a yes or no answer, a general approval or disapproval. The plebiscite, as it is currently set, demands a very high participation, contrary to Colombia's voter turnout trends. In the history of Colombia, never has the voter turnout reached 17 million as the current law demands.